Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you like luxury, then keep watching. I forgot the wine. Let me go get it. All right, so I am back. I have my glass of wine. Are you ready to dine with me on Chanel? Today we'll have a 3-course meal and I'm hungry. Are you? Let's first start with the appetizers. And look, here is my appetizer. Let's get ready to dine. Let's put that there. Here's the box. Uh-oh. Let's see what care booklet. And then I have the Chanel. All right. So here it is. Can you see it? Let me get up closer. And let me take it out. Oh, okay, it's pinned in. Okay, they did a good job. Look at that. Beautiful. It is from the new collection. It is one of my purchases that I made in Kane, and this is my first brooch. So I'm excited. I have a question. What do you think I should wear it with? I know scarves or right here would be fine, but give me some more suggestions, okay? And then, because I'm still a little bit hungry, are you? Let's have another appetizer. That one came off really quick. And then there's the Chanel Lovely box. The care card. Know which way to show you. Okay. Okay, I got it. All right. And here are the long dangly double C's. I love them. I think it will work best with my long hair, and that's why I picked it up, because sometimes when I wear the studs and if I don't pull my hair back, you cannot see my earrings. So let me bring it in a little bit closer for you. They're beautiful. I love them. Do you love them? All right, and moving on to the next item. So, should we do the dessert or one more appetizer? One more appetizer? Okay. One more appetizer. And then we'll get to the dessert. Now remember, I said the main dish will come at the end. One more appetizer, and then we'll go to the dessert. These, they're so nice and soft. I love them. And then the care booklet. And, oh, all right. I don't know if it is secure. Oh, it is. Wow. Wow. Let me stand up where I can let you see exactly how they have secured it inside the box. So isn't that beautiful? Okay, and I really like this. I like gold. And so, let's see, I don't want to drop it. So you just unsnap it on both sides. Never had anything like this one. And then you have your choker. Okay, is that not pretty? That is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Come on, let me let you look at it closer. That is gorgeous. The double C's at the bottom. I love it. What do you think? Okay, it'll look really nice on. Yeah, that's really nice. These items are from the new collection. So let's get into the next item. And the next item is going to be our dessert. And here is the next item. Now those 3 appetizers that you just had, I did purchase those in Paris, and then I went to the south of France and took a little taxi to Cannes, and that's where I purchased this. Yes, just trying to remember. There you go. Okay, sorry. And are you ready? What do you think? It is the Chanel cuff. Yeah. Alright. Pretty easy. Just black in the back. It's just one single, like a nail that raises up, and then you insert it into the opposite side. So it goes in like that once you raise this nail up. Okay. Once you raise the nail up, insert it, and then you press it back down. It's beautiful. Okay. All right. And now, how are you guys liking your food? Is your food good? I hope it is divine. And now, since we went from the appetizer to the dessert, and now we'll have our main course. It's in here. Uh-oh. Well, it's gonna come off anyway. So, let's do the unboxing. Excuse me. Okay. Now, this is my first time having, I believe, one of these type of boxes. Okay. Yeah. So there it is. Can you see the inside? And I know you know what it is. All right. Okay, so let's put that there. And take it out. So, and then we have another paper wrapped around the front to protect it. And there it is. I believe it's like a mixture of gold tone, first part there, and then it's mixed metals in the center. Okay, double C's. Belt, which is a handle that is adjustable. More paper. The authenticity card. Oh, this is really nice. It's really nice. So let me stand up and let you take a peek on the inside. And so it's the main compartment is in there and the side, and then it has one little, it's a nice size pocket, but it's very small. Alright, so that is my new boy bag. Side. Addition to my collection. Ooh, making lots of noise. This is the main course. So, cheers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I truly have. I love the unboxing. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any requests, comment down below. Please, if you like any part of this content, please make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so the next time that I upload a video, it'll be in your feed. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and until next time, I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.